Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about the best website from where you can learn DevOps. So guys, DevOps is also very rapidly growing field nowadays. So let's get started. But first of all, we will check on Fiverr that there is a demand of this skill or not. Then we have to decide that we would learn this skill or not. So let's go to fiverr.com. In case you don't know about Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platforms where you can sell your services online and people pay you according to your services and charges. So here is Fiverr.com. Here I search DevOps, DevOps engineer, and let's see what's there is only 336 services available, and this is a very low competition. You can easily rank on it. I will be your AWS cloud and DevOps engineer, but first of all I will change the currency, and let's go. I open his gig, and after that I open this gig and this gig. So this is a Fiverr choice, Saf A from Pakistan. In basic package, he charged $50. I will fix customize minor issues of your business model over AWS. Uh, in standard $500, I will fix and customize one to two issues of your business model over AWS. 829 orders completed, 65 4.9 reviews. Premium $1,200, I will fix and customize more complex issues of your business model over AWS. You can also read his bio and know about him and also read his gig, but do not copy his gig. Take an idea from his gig and make your own according to it. After that, the second gig, I will write DevOps, Azure, and AWS Cloud Engineering resume. If you want learn this skill and you want to, you do not have expertise in writing resume, then contact this person and he will write resumes for you. In basic, he charged $10. In professional, he charged $20. In premium, he charged $30. This is not a relevant gig. Last gig, I will engineer DevOps, Docker, Kubernetes, and cloud solution. These are the terms related to DevOps. In basic, he charged $10. Basic application deployment, packages installation, and small scripting writing. In cloud, star $20. In premium, $35. So this is a good skill to work on. This is Ray from Pakistan, and you can also check out his gig and make your gig description according to it, but do not completely copy him. Just take an idea and go for it. So I think the Fiverr part is over. Now let's go towards the websites from where you can learn DevOps. So the I close the Fiverr tab. The first website is udacity.com. Here you can search about DevOps, and as you can see, there are different courses available. Cloud DevOps Engineer, DevOps Fluency, Machine Learning DevOps Engineer, and Cloud DevOps using Microsoft Azure, and Discovering DevOps, and different courses. You can learn these courses from Udacity. After that, our second website is edx.org. Here I search about DevOps. I search here DevOps, and you can see there is IBM's DevOps Basic for Everyone, DevOps, AWS Code Build and Test, Introduction to DevOps, and Site Reliability Engineering. These are the three courses, and you can also search these courses. These are the courses from top companies: IBM, AWS, and the Linux Foundation. So I think you have to go for it. First, my recommendation is complete these all courses and start from IBM. So in the next, the third website is coursera.org. This is a very famous website. We will discuss this website in our previous videos. So I search here DevOps, and As you can see, there is a course of IBM DevOps Engineering, DevOps and Software Engineering, Amazon DevOps, IBM Introduction to DevOps, DevOps Clouds and Agile Foundation. IBM is very uh, uh, is working huge on this, so they are releasing different courses related to DevOps. Python scripting for DevOps, preparing for Google Cloud certification, Cloud DevOps Engineer. Google also provides certifications, and there are uh, different courses available. So this is the third and last website. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.